Today we teach the world a little Serbian, because everyone needs to know a language other than Japanese. Hi! That means yes in Japanese. Today we are focusing on the words and phrases that are useful in driving a car around a city. Do join us in your lesson booklet on page 2489, entitled Colloquial Phrases for City Driving. I will start with the English translation and then tell you the Serbian verbiage. Is it okay to park here?
Ja bi da parkiram tu, pizda lizac jedna.
The light is green, kind sir. Won't you please pull forward?
Ženo, idi već jednom, jebeš me, jebeš nas svi, pičku materinu.
This gentleman in front of me is driving rather erratically.
Ženo, gde ćeš sada? Al si se sad izglavila si se. Ženo, pičku materinu. Imaš da me pušiš i da me ližeš kurac, pizda materinu.
Hey, you just cut me off.
Pička te maminu ću da jebem sa kravina kurac, sa pravi krava. Ako ne mogu da ga nađem, onda konjinje kurac, jebote pizdu materinu sa konjinje kurac. Konj, gde ću sad?
Those are a few of the phrases that you'll find useful when navigating the streets of Serbia in a car. Join us next week when we discuss riding the bus. Rate, subscribe, drive safely. U pičku materinu.